Ever feel like your creative ideas are trapped in your head? Well, it's 2026, and the barrier between imagination and reality has officially disappeared. Today, we're looking at the top free AI video generators that are changing the game. Whether you're a filmmaker or a social media creator, these tools are your new superpower. Let's dive in. The cinematic leaders, Leonardo, Grok, and Kling. First, let's talk about Leonardo AI. If you're looking for cinematic, this is it. It's perfect for turning your images into high-end motion with incredible artistic flair. Next up is Grok, available via X. It's a powerhouse for high-quality, watermark-free videos with sound. And for pure realism, you can't beat Kling AI. It offers one of the most generous free tiers today and handles complex physics, like flowing water or moving hair, with breathtaking stability. Workflow wizards, Invideo and Meta AI. Need a full video fast? Invideo AI is your shortcut. Give it a prompt, and it generates the script, stock footage, and voiceover instantly. It's a content creator's dream. For quick, aesthetic animations, Meta AI has become a top contender. It gives you great control over the look and feel of your video, making it ideal for stylized social content that stands out in the feed. The specialists, Pika, Hailuo, and Canva. Want to get creative? Pika is the king of VFX. You can melt, inflate, or explode objects with just a click. If you need realistic people, Hailuo AI is lightning fast and specializes in natural human movement. And for beginners, Canva's Magic Media makes text-to-video as easy as drag and drop, powered by Google's VO technology. Quick tip: most free versions use a monthly credit system and may include watermarks. If you want total control without the limits, look into open source models like WAN or LTX Video that you can run locally for free. The power is literally in your hands. AI is the paintbrush, but you're still the artist. Which of these tools are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, hit subscribe, and now, go create something amazing